I would like I would like to discuss with you zero interest bearing bond recording. First of all, you have to figure out what was the price that was paid for such a bond. We will take a look at all the cash outflows that you will be required to pay. In this case, if there's only one, you will be paying $100,000 at bond maturity on December 31st, 2016. So $100,000 will have to be discounted using n equals 3 and 10% market rate. Your present value factor will be 0.75132 based on the present value of a dollar or lump sum table. There would be no other cash outflows that you're used to, such as your interest. So to record such a bond, we will, as usual, credit bond payable, always for your principal, then debit cash for the amount received for such a bond, and then the difference goes to discount on bond payable. Since we have zero interest-bearing bonds, it is impossible to sell it at a premium. As far as the bond discount amortization, the schedule is very similar to your regular interest-bearing bond. The only column that will be very much different is this cash paid. Since we're not paying any interest, all the amounts are zero. And your interest expense is the same as discount amortized. As usual, to calculate your interest expense, you will take carrying amount of the bond on that date and multiply it by your market rate, in our case 10%. And you do the same year after year. To figure out carrying amount of the bond, we will have to take carrying value for prior year and add discount amortized. That's how we come up with 82,645. And the same thing year after year. So at maturity date, we will be exactly at $100,000, your principal amount. Take a look at the journal entries every year for your discount amortization. Discount amortization will be the same as your interest expense. And as you notice, there's no cash credited as we normally see. That's it. They're not as scary. Just a couple of differences from your regular interest-bearing bonds.